Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. In my case, Opera mini browser and maybe some SMS app. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Now scroll down again, click on Default Apps, and click on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your downloaded one that you wish to apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!